Well, we are gonna do a little nature walk with the pup today. Down by the river. 32 degrees outside. It's quite lovely. We just had some snowfall, as you can tell. There's an eagle's nest back here that I really want to check out. Maybe get some cool shots of this eagle. Before I had this camera, I wanted to really shoot it. Not like shoot it and kill it, but like shoot a couple pictures of it. But yeah, that's the plan for the day. We're gonna shoot through, enjoy some nature, get a wee bit mutty, have a good time, buddy. So yeah, stick around. Walking in the winter wonderland. Everything's still green. Snow on the ground. Freaky, freaky town. Also, leaving past we go. Got Jesse's legs on this tripod. And she is catching everything in sight. We're going into the thick of it. This is the best part about adventuring, making your own path and just going with it, running through the weeds without trying to kill trees and tear up your camera. Look at the little raccoon prints. Little fingers. Little fingers. I'm trying to there we go. Camera getting caught on everything. I believe. I don't even think this is far enough yet. Well, maybe it is right there. No, it's gotta be farther down. Little river. Wonder if it's one beaver at a time. That usually works on these, or if they all tag team it. Quite a big tree. It's already dead, but Pretty interesting. All the snow is starting to melt. It's all falling down. Whoa. Look at that guy. Just frozen in time. Crazy. That tree's still up here. I don't know if I want to cross that with me muddy boots. Cold water. Just do it, sissy. There's a log down to get across the old creek. I got muddy rubber boots on. The old mucks. I'm about to walk up to the levee and go around. Dang, this water's high. The river is still high, so that's why, silly guy. Bleh. This is why you want to have your waterproof snowshoes. To soak your pants. Alright. I don't know if you guys can see right there. It's a 55-gallon drum. The only thing that freaks me out about 55-gallon drums, for some reason when I think of it, I think of people being stuffed in them. Well, I'm not sure. Oh, there's an actual another lake a ways away from here. Years back, they found the body stuffed in a drum. It's empty. That's a plus. It must have just floated down here on the river when the river got high. That's good. Yay. No bodies today. Look at the puppies on haywire. Happy as can be. Ah! This just looks neat. Cool, crisp air. Man. Oh, look at this. I'm not really up to par on me wild edibles and stuff like that. But I do know mushrooms. Hey, they're everywhere. If you don't know what the heck it is, you don't touch it. If you don't know what the heck it is, then you don't touch it at all. Because they can make you sick. That trail closed down. Looks like that tree fell not too long ago. Or maybe like the snow got so heavy on these little saplings. That they folded over. Well, saw everything. It was a heavy, wet snow. It's going to be very wet. You can see some of the snow melting and falling off the trees. It just looks neat. Oh, there went a squirrel over there. Haven't seen much for wildlife so far. Thor! He just took off after some deer. Get back here. I was gonna try and snap some photos of them. And this guy had to chase him off. The joy of being in the sticks with your pups. Woo! Having a woods party. Puppy Duane party. Woo! What a lovely place to be. There it goes. Oh. There's still one standing right there. God dang it, Thor! Oh man. What a jerk. Should have him on his freaking leash. That's my fault. You can't catch them. They're way too fast for you. So stop chasing them. Trying to find. It's hard to miss it. Might be down a little farther either. Also. Big old eagle's nest. Yeah, it's got down further. I found it. Right up there. Take a good 100 feet off the ground. Big old eagle's nest. I need to get a better zooming lens for you guys. But it doesn't look like, I mean, I'm sure if it was home, it's seen me coming before I even seen it. Eagles are freaking eagles. Great eyeballs. That's why they say eagle eye. But in the winter, there's two of them that I want. I camped out back here quite some time ago, and they kept coming up and squawking as I was cooking. It was really freaking neat, but I didn't have a good camera at the time to zoom this back out. Didn't have a good camera at the time to capture the footage of them. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna set up back there in the shade a little bit, drink some water, eat me snack, see what happens. You. Baby mouse. I don't know if you see it or not. Yep. There was just some ducks back here. I missed those guys too. Kinda hard with the dog splishy splashing around. He wants to chase everything. Have me a little snack. Drink some water. Now, I'm not going to stick around too long to see if I can get the old eagle to appear, or wait for it to appear. There was a trail back here a long time ago. I went down there and I kept seeing this owl. Kept flying from tree to tree, kind of just staying a little bit ahead of me. But it's a lot colder now. It's kind of early morning, so we'll walk that way. It's kind of the same same way the deer ran off. Hopefully the dog, well, it's instinct. I guess he's gonna chase him, but maybe I should have him on a leash. It's hard to film with the dog dragging you around though. That's the game plan. We'll go find this trail. Stomp through the swamp here. I've been seeing branches and stuff broken everywhere because the snow is so heavy. Gotta keep an ear out for that too. Good old widowmaker. See, just like those trees right there. Broken. There's another one over yonder. But that's the game plan. Kind of wondering if Thor, it's too cold for you to be in and out of the water. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it to the trail. See, everything you think grassy, splishy splashy under it. I may have to go back the way I came and abort that trail. Everything just seems to be freaking underwater. I mean, I do have me muck boots on. Just wasn't trying to get my pants all soppy wet, but whew. Here's a freshly fallen branch too. See, all that's underwater. This was where that trail was too. Oop. I went that way and wrapped around the back, but maybe I could find. Keep going this way. Like I was saying earlier, it's 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's pretty chilly. That's pretty deep. Another fallen branch. Thor, stay out of it. It's like a maze. There's no go on this owl so far. Wonder a lot of this water too, because it just got done raining for like 4 days freaking straight. I think this one's, and there's just like ice everywhere. But ice crystals like this falling off the trees everywhere. Everything's a swamp. It's neat, don't get me wrong, it's really freaking cool. If it was warmer, I wouldn't mind stomping around playing in it all that much. But with the pup running in and out of it. And it's cold. I don't want him having icicles all over him. This is really cool though. Just watching it fall into the water, kind of freaking neat. Thor, stay out of it. Let's see how deep this goes. Oh yeah, it's pretty deep. I'm not gonna risk it. Oh, no luck so far on eagles or owls. Sun's starting to come out and everything is melting overhead. So making my way back, this camera is not waterproof. I work really hard to get nice things and try not to destroy them. So that's the goal, to get you guys out of here. Still working. I should be alright here in a second. Should be back at that 55-gallon drum. All the trails are chopped up and splish-splashied about. Can't. Just gotta make your way through it. And if you don't have muck boots, not very smart coming out to stomp through that, I guess. There's the old drum back there. Here's the old river. We're gonna stomp back through the forest again. Hopefully, don't know if that's so smart with everything melting. I really don't want to ruin this camera. I didn't bring the Ziploc baggie that I've excuse me, didn't bring the Ziploc bag that I've seen other people use. You put a Ziploc bag around it, kind of waterproof it somewhat, but that's the plan. Keep it dry, keep moving. Chunks of ice are just falling everywhere back there. It must have warmed up just a few degrees to get above freezing. Everything's starting to come down. Can't film in there, I kind of gotta tuck you under. See the water level's real high too. It's usually down about another 4 foot or so. But that has nothing to do with the ice. Staying towards the outskirts, close to the river, there's not as many trees as there is on the regular trail. Well, this is definitely a fun experience. Never been out here when everything's just, I mean, besides like a regular snowy day, everything right now falling like ice. Not snow, chunks of freaking ice. Pretty neat. Nice little nature walk. Get the blood flowing. Blood flowing, lungs going, heart beeping, bumping, slumping. It's October, time to pick a pumpkin. Headed back to the car. Let you know when we're close. We are about out. Back to the car. Had a fun time. Not too shabby. Nice little day to get outside and enjoy the outdoors. So we'll have another video coming at you soon. Get outside, enjoy it. Remember, make every day great exploring Earth.